We found that there is a huge problem in the world today. It's called the coverage gap. An exponential number of people and businesses are going out of business or becoming homeless because they don't have insurance. And with the increasing number of natural catastrophes, obviously that's a huge problem. And so we started doing a lot of work to figure out why is this going on, what's happening.
Federato's mission has always been to change the way insurance works towards more efficient and equitable outcomes. When you think about where we started and what we've achieved over the last 5 years, we started from that point of view of the underwriter, and we've unlocked tremendous value for insurance organizations. We've been able to meaningfully change how insurance is available to organizations and to individuals and families.
We're bringing that state-of-the-art technology to an industry that is pretty old.
As I was doing my due diligence about insurance, on how underserved underwriting was. It was just crazy. It was just absolutely, spreadsheets or manual processes and offshore people doing data entry, 30, 40 days to get a quote out the door, only to lose the business because you didn't move fast enough, or win the business and it wasn't the right fit and you had to sell it off.
One of the things we always say at Federato is businesses don't have problems, people do.
It's not just enough to have great technology. You have to also truly understand who is the customer, what are they trying to achieve? What does it actually look and feel like to be an underwriter? And it's only through marrying those two things that we're able to build the kind of generational business that we are.
We started with a deep belief that all of insurance flows from underwriting, and from there we've really grown to do a lot of things serving pretty much every facet of the policy lifecycle at this point.
I'm super excited. The amount of product we're building, the quality of the team we have, the care of our customers, right, and the customer involvement we have with this is really great. A lot of insurance companies are more and more open to use AI, and they know it's important.
When you think about agentic AI and being able to go across the entire policy lifecycle, we're the only company that can do it. We're not just selling a technology. In fact, we've created this thing called the Path to Partnership.
We want to earn our customers' business every year. We are the only player I am aware of in the space who doesn't charge for the services to deliver our platform initially or to support it over the long term. We don't make a dime more by taking longer to do a thing. And so they know that we're trying to do that thing right the first time and get them to that productive state as quickly as possible.
I don't want to be a vendor, and we don't operate like a vendor. We're a partner. These are people who understand what these customers are trying to deliver in their portfolio, what they're trying to do for their underwriters. They're able to really understand all of that context and help them find solutions.
Truth of insurance is no one risk matters. It's all about the portfolio. And if you can unlock the ability for an underwriter to, yes, do their job in a transactional way on a risk-by-risk basis, but to be constantly thinking of and be aware of that broader portfolio, that's where a lot of value accrues. But as we look forward and we think about what the next 5 years are about, we see even more opportunity.
Seeing the actual impact, the business impact that we're making, for me, that's really what it's all about. And especially when you're working with customers that actually provide insurance for wildfires in California or hurricanes in storms in Florida, you're just seeing the real impact that you're making in the people that you're now can provide insurance to that otherwise wouldn't have gotten that level of insurance. It's extremely rewarding.